Hi guys, how are you doing today? Nothing. I'm just gonna say everyone if you don't know about the coronavirus, everyone is going crazy about it, but don't worry. It doesn't come on the food. It comes on in air. So don't get close to people that are sick to you. I mean, I mean, if people are sick and are coughing hard, don't get close to them because it means that they have the coronavirus. But it doesn't mean that. But it kind of means that. So don't really get close to sick people like that are coughing. Yeah, and guys, be safe. I love you guys. Bye. Thank you for subscribing. Bye. I'm a never mind. Bye guys.